This is how to convert your USDT to Ethereum on Binance. In this video, I will walk you through how to swap your USDT for Ethereum on Binance. As soon as you launch your Binance app, the first thing you see is home. This is home. You can see my current balance. For you to know your asset, you click asset. Assets are the cryptos that you have. I want to swap this USDT, which is a stable coin, to Ethereum. To do that, you come to trade. You click trade. You can see convert. You choose convert. It's already highlighted. I want to swap this USDT to Ethereum. So here you choose Ethereum. You can click this arrow. It will show you all the listed cryptos that you can swap USDT to. What I'm looking for is Ethereum. You can search for Ethereum here, but there's no need to do that. You can easily pick it. This is it. You pick it. This is where you select and type the value of USDT you want to convert and swap to Ethereum. You just tap inside here. I'm swapping all this value. You can see available balance. So I will select maximum. So you can see automatically it has given me the value of Ethereum that I'm going to get. You can preview it. You click preview. This is the value of Ethereum I'm going to get, equivalent to USDT as at the time of this video. If I'm okay with this amount, I will select and tap confirm. So confirm. And you can see instantly this is the Ethereum I'm going to get. And these are the conversion details. If you click this to go back, you click here to know the asset you now have. Asset. You can see I now have the Ethereum listed as part of my asset. So I've converted and swapped successfully my USDT for Ethereum. It's so simple and easy. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comment, and I promise to get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.